Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0192 indicates a low voltage condition in the fuel rail pressure sensor circuit of the Honda Civic 2022 and later models. The fuel rail pressure sensor is a critical component that measures the pressure of the fuel within the rail. It provides crucial data to the powertrain control module PCM, which is responsible for managing the engine's operation and performance. The sensor is typically located on the fuel rail, which is situated on top of the engine. When the output voltage of this sensor drops below a specified value, the PCM recognizes this as an abnormality and stores the DTC for further diagnosis. Understanding and addressing this error is essential for maintaining optimal engine function and preventing potential performance issues. DTC P0192 specifically details issues related to the fuel rail pressure sensor, suggesting that the sensor's voltage output is lower than expected. The sensor plays a vital role by providing accurate pressure readings of the fuel going into the engine. If the voltage it outputs is below 0.31 volts, which is a threshold indicating potential malfunction, the powertrain control module, PCM, will perceive it as an error. The PCM monitors various inputs and controls many actuators, managing overall vehicle performance. The fuel rail pressure sensor is typically integrated directly into the fuel rail assembly, simplifying the design but making diagnostic processes more intricate. It is essential to pinpoint whether the sensor itself is faulty or if issues lie within the connected circuits. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0192 being triggered. Firstly, a faulty fuel rail pressure sensor can arise due to internal failure, affecting its ability to output the correct voltage. Secondly, an open circuit in the voltage supply line can prevent the sensor from receiving the necessary power to operate correctly. This can be due to damaged wiring or connectors that compromise the circuit's integrity. Another cause might be a short circuit to ground in the signal line, which can disrupt the voltage readings that the PCM relies on for proper operation. Identifying the exact cause is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair to restore normal vehicle functionality. When DTC P0192 occurs, several symptoms may manifest, affecting the overall driving experience. One of the most common indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, signaling an underlying issue that needs attention. Additionally, drivers may experience engine performance issues, including reduced power or efficiency, which can impact acceleration and overall responsiveness. In some cases, this DTC can also lead to stalling or misfiring, particularly under heavy loads or during acceleration, making the vehicle less reliable. It is crucial for users to be aware of these symptoms, as they can point to significant efficiency and safety concerns that require immediate resolution. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0192 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode and allowing it to stabilize for about 2 seconds. This action is essential as it prepares the onboard diagnostic system to gather accurate data from the fuel rail pressure sensor. After waiting, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be used to check the reading for the fuel pressure converted from PF sensor voltage. If this reading is less than 0.31 V, it confirms that the failure condition has been duplicated, thus prompting further inspection. Utilizing the HDS for this task is vital, since it delivers precise, real-time data that aids in diagnosing issues accurately. Completing this step lays the groundwork for more in-depth inspection of the system's components. In the second troubleshooting step, it is necessary to disconnect the fuel rail pressure sensor. This allows the technician to inspect the VCC1 and PF circuits for potential issues. The VCC1 circuit is particularly important, as it supplies power to the fuel rail pressure sensor. After disconnection, the inspection should include checking the output voltage of the sensor at the female terminals of the disconnected harness. Under normal conditions, the output should read approximately 5.0 volts when the ignition is in the on position. If the voltage measurements show anomalies, it indicates that the fuel rail pressure sensor itself may be defective. This diagnostic process is critical as it helps isolate whether the issue lies within the sensor or the external circuitry. The third step in the troubleshooting protocol requires jumping the SCS, service check signal line using the HDS, followed by disconnecting the PCM connector. This action ensures that any stored DTCs are cleared and that the PCM can reset. After completing this step, attention turns to the inspection of the VCC1 wiring for any open circuits. Under normal conditions, the resistance should be less than 1 ohm, indicating a healthy circuit without interruptions. If the resistance exceeds this limit, or if the circuit is found to be open, it suggests that there is a fault in the wiring which needs to be addressed. This step is crucial for verifying the integrity of the circuit before concluding the issue lies solely within the PCM. The fourth step focuses on the PF pressure feedback circuit by thoroughly checking for any shorts to ground. This process helps diagnose whether the wire components are damaged or improperly connected. A ground short can significantly affect the voltage readings that the system relies upon for proper function. This inspection should confirm that there are no unintended connections that would cause miscommunication between the fuel rail pressure sensor and the PCM. It's also important to visually inspect all connections and wiring integrity, ensuring that they meet the manufacturer's specifications. Accomplishing this step is essential to ascertain that the issue is not a result of a compromised circuit, which could further complicate repairs. The final troubleshooting step focuses on the PCM itself, which is the powertrain control module that integrates many engine functions. If all previous inspections indicated normal conditions, it suggests that the PCM could be the underlying issue. Conducting a thorough inspection of the PCM involves checking its operation and ensuring all related systems are functioning optimally. The ECM, or Engine Control Module, plays a pivotal role in how data is interpreted. Thus, any faults here can lead to erroneous readings and performance issues. Finally, performing a comprehensive check of all associated electronic components ensures that no additional failures are present. This step aims to determine if replacing or reprogramming the PCM is necessary to resolve the code. After completing all troubleshooting and repairs related to DTC P0192, it's essential to verify the success of the repairs. This involves clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS and performing a test drive to ensure that the vehicle operates correctly under regular conditions. During the test drive, monitoring engine performance is crucial. The engine should run smoothly without stalling or irregular performance issues. Additionally, pay attention to the check engine light. It should remain off if the repairs have resolved the initial issue. This verification step is critical in ensuring that no other factors were inadvertently overlooked and that the vehicle is restored to its proper operational state. To prevent the occurrence of DTC P0192, implementing a routine maintenance schedule is essential. Regular inspections of the fuel rail pressure sensor can help identify early signs of wear or malfunction before they lead to significant issues. Additionally, checking wiring connections for any signs of corrosion or damage can prevent electrical failures that often lead to erroneous voltage readings. Maintaining a clean fuel system ensures that the fuel rail pressure sensor receives consistent, clean fuel, which is critical for accurate readings. These preventive measures can significantly reduce the risk of encountering similar DTCs in the future, ensuring long-term reliability and performance of the vehicle. In conclusion, understanding the specifics of DTC P0192 is vital for effectively addressing the issues present in the Honda Civic 2022 and later models. Following thorough troubleshooting steps ensures that technicians can accurately diagnose whether the problem lies with the fuel rail pressure sensor, the wiring, or the PCM itself. Each inspection step is designed to pinpoint the exact failure point, helping to streamline the repair process. Performing comprehensive inspections guarantees that all aspects of the fuel pressure system are functioning optimally. This meticulous approach prevents unnecessary repairs and promotes vehicle reliability, ultimately ensuring a well-maintained driving experience for the owner. By implementing preventive maintenance strategies, the likelihood of encountering this issue again can be minimized. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!